Whiskey in the jar. As I was going over the far-famed Kerry Mountains, I met with Captain Farrell and his money he was counting. I first produced me pistol and I then produced me rapier, sent stand and deliver. For you are about to savor my shelling and my what for the daddy-o, what for the daddy-o, little whiskey in the jar. I went into my chamber, all for to take a slumber. I'd silver, gold and jewelry, and sure about no wonder. But she took me pistol, she filled it up with water, then sent for Captain Farrell to be ready for the slaughter. Was shelling of a what for the daddy-o, what for the daddy-o, little whiskey in the jar. Early in the morning, just before I rose for travel, up comes a band of troopers, and likewise Captain Farrell. I first produced me pistol, for the rapier she had stolen. I could not choose the water, so prisoner I was taken. My shelling, what for the daddy-o, what for the daddy-o, little whiskey in the jar. If there's anyone can hate me, to be brother in the army, if I can find a station in Cork or in Killarney, and if they'll go with me, we'll go roving in Kilkenny, and I'm sure he'll treat me better than me slide to Stephen Jetty. My shelling of a what for the daddy-o, what for the daddy-o, little whiskey in the jar. There's some take delight in the carriages rolling, and others take delight in the hurling and the bowling. But I take delight in the juice of the barley, and courting pretty fair maids in the morning bright and early. My shelling of a what for the daddy-o, what for the daddy-o, little whiskey in the jar. My shelling of a what for the daddy-o, what for the daddy-o, little whiskey in the jar.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Herzlichen Dank. Gut, dass wir noch eins können. You know this too.